Silence may seem harmless, feel safe, invisible, hidden. But when wrong continues unchallenged, silence becomes dangerous. This is the story of Raj, a boy who learned that silence can destroy and truth can save. Raj's father worked in a factory where machines screamed louder than men's voices. The belts rattled, the floors trembled, and every month someone was carried out wounded. But the workers stayed quiet. They told themselves, better to lose some blood than to lose the job that feeds the family. At dinner one night, Raj, a class 9 student, said cheerfully, "Papa, today our teacher told us, if something is wrong, we must speak up. Silence only makes the wrong stronger." His father froze. The boy's innocent words were heavier than the steel he worked with every day. "Raj," he said softly, "life is not like school. Speaking up can cost everything. Sometimes silence is safer." But his tone carried sadness, not conviction. Days later, Raj brought lunch to the factory. He stood at the gate and froze. A man stumbled out, his shirt drenched in blood, his arm torn by a machine. Raj's breath caught in his chest. He whispered to a worker nearby, "Does this happen often?" The man shrugged with empty eyes. "Too often, but silence feeds our children. Truth may throw us all to the streets." Raj felt his stomach twist. This was not silence, it was surrender. And that night he couldn't sleep. The shadows in the room whispered the same lesson. He realized silence was not safety, but danger wearing a mask. The next morning, unable to hold it in, Raj went to his teacher. His voice shook as he told everything. The accidents, the broken machines, his father's sadness. The teacher listened, then placed a hand on his shoulder. "Raj, truth does not always roar. Even the youngest can remind us of the courage we've forgotten. If you dare to carry that truth forward, others will find the courage they lost." Raj felt fear but also resolve. With his teacher's help, they went to the authorities. Inspectors arrived. For the first time, silence was broken. The broken belts, the unsafe floors, the hidden injuries, all came to light. The factory could no longer hide. Machines were repaired, safety gear provided, and lives were saved. Not just once, but for years. That evening, Raj's father sat silently at the dinner table. But this silence was different. It was not fear. It was humility, pride, and gratitude. His voice trembled as he said, "I thought silence would keep us safe. But you showed me, son, the real danger was in silence itself. Truth saved us all." And so, Raj proved what we often forget. Silence may feel safe, but it feeds danger. Truth may feel risky, but it protects life. The danger of silence versus the power of truth is not just a title. It is the daily choice we face. One child's voice, guided by courage, broke the silence of an entire factory. And if a boy could do it, what excuse do we have? Life lessons from Raj's story. Fear teaches silence, but silence teaches danger. Truth may risk something today, but it protects everything tomorrow. Change does not always begin with leaders. It can begin with a child's simple question. One voice, when it refuses to stay silent, can protect many lives. Remember, life is the journey, wisdom is the guide. This is Drive by Wisdom. See you in the next story. And do not forget to like the video, share, and subscribe.